wish this year brings you all abundance and happiness and good health. Normally year-end is celebrated by a lot of parties and get-togethers and all that, but this year probably because of the curfew and all, many of you have not been able to celebrate the new year, and I'm sure you guys are planning a new year party probably this weekend or the next weekend. You know, all the family get-togethers and office parties and friends parties and all that. And you must be confused as to what to wear to each of these parties. You have come to the right place. This video will help you to decide which outfit to wear for which parties and how to style all your outfits. So let's get into this video. I know it's a bit confusing for women of our age to decide an outfit when we are going out for a party. It should be age appropriate, it should look elegant, and of course it should be according to the occasion. Now here I'll be giving you a few options so that you can decide as to which outfit you can wear for what kind of occasion. Now if the occasion is a date with your husband or a dance with your partner, or you're going out for maybe a birthday party or a little get together with your friends, then the first dress that comes to my mind is a midi dress. That is if you are into western dresses. Midi dress is always a better option than mini dress if you are aged over 40. This vibrant red dress that I am wearing is perfect for that occasion. It looks classy and elegant and stylish also. Now if you have a little fat around the waist area and you do not want to project that, then you can wear something that has an empire waist. Empire waist is something that is fitted around the bust, and from the bust area it has a very flare flow. So it is loose around the waist area and your fat is not seen also. So you can opt for something like that. Now if you are planning to go for a casual wear party, you can opt for jeans and a bright girly kind of a top. Jeans looks great on women no matter what age. But if you want to look stylish in them, then you will have to give it some thought. High-waisted jeans are really good for aged women because it kind of camouflages the little fat we have around the waist. For parties, you can wear nice girly kind of dressy top with your jeans, like maybe a frilled top or something with lace on it, or like something with puffed sleeves like the one I am wearing. But make sure that you don't go in for very short tops or crop tops or something that shows your stomach, because that won't look good and it doesn't look classy as well. Here I have worn a black skirt along with the same pink top that I wore before with the jeans. Pink and black is a very good combination and can be paired perfectly along with the right accessories. Long skirts and midi skirts are a very good option to wear for formal occasions and parties like these. You can avoid mini skirts because I think that is not appropriate for such occasions. Now salwar kameez is one outfit that is there in every Indian women's wardrobe. You can dress it up and dress it down as you like. Now if you don't have a party wear salwar kameez, you can just mix and match with some accessories, or you can just change your dupatta into something festive. You can simply change your churidar and wear a palazzo instead. So you can just make small changes here and there, and voila, your regular salwar kameez is changed into a party wear. So that's the magic of salwar kameez actually. It is that simple. You just need to use a little creativity and mix and match the items that you have in your wardrobe to make a party wear out of your salwar kameez. And there you have a wonderful party wear. Just add a little accessories and you are ready to rock the party. Maxi dresses flatter all body types and can be worn in a way that looks good for even a woman over 40. One thing you need to look out for is your body type, whether you have an hourglass figure or you have a pear-shaped body or a triangle-shaped body. There are different body types. So just have to look out for that and choose something that really suits your body type. You don't have to go all out with shimmer and ruffles and all that on your maxi dress. You can just tone it down a little, make it simple, go for simple details. Like the one that I am wearing, it is a sleeveless maxi dress, and the bright yellow color gives a lot of attention to it. It catches your attention even in a crowd. It has a simple thread work that goes along the torso area and a beautiful thread belt to go with it with little tassels and all that. So these simple details add a lot of value to the dress. And though it's not blingy and all that, it looks simple and elegant and appropriate to wear for any parties for a woman over 40. What can be more stunning to wear for a party than a beautiful evening gown? It can be worn to formal occasions like wedding receptions or evening balls. You can choose your gown according to your body shape. Slight shimmer can add a bling to your attire. Add appropriate accessories and beautiful fancy sandals and you will be the center of attraction for any party. Now saris are another great option to wear for parties and it's made for Indian women. Every Indian woman looks beautiful in saris. So that is one outfit that you can opt for if you are planning to go for a party. There is a wide variety of party wear sarees that you can choose from. The main important factor that you need to keep in mind is the occasion. Now if it is a formal occasion, you can opt for light monochrome fancy sarees like the one that I have worn. For that you can choose light materials like chiffon or satin. But if you are going for maybe wedding reception party, then you can go in for a heavier fabrics like silk or brocade. That would be a better option. Of course, body type plays a very important role when you are choosing the fabric of your sari. So choose wisely. And also there are many draping styles that you can choose from. Nowadays there are so many different types of drapes that you can choose from. So you can choose how you want to drape your sari according to your comfort and style. Your hairstyle also plays a very important role in completing your whole look. So never ignore that. And along with all your other accessories, you will be perfect and you'll rock the party. So guys, these are just a few guidelines that I wanted to share with you regarding choosing an outfit if you are planning to go for a party in the near future. And I would really like to know which outfit you like the best and which one would you prefer to wear if you are going for a party anywhere. So let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. If you like the video and if it helped you in any way, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.